here are the top 4 reasons why you're fumbling the bag with business funding and you're getting denied. Number one, the information is incomplete. When you get ready to go fill out the application, you might have an EIN, but you don't have a business bank account. You might have an LLC, but you've never done your business taxes. Not able to articulate or explain. You might be running a business and collecting income, but you have no profit and loss statement. You have no documents to show your income and the outcome, the revenue. You have some information, but you just don't have everything you need. It doesn't look good. Number two, personal information and business information, two totally separate things. If you are still purchasing things in your business with your personal name, or you are buying things with your personal name, not the lease in your personal name and not in the business name, or functioning with a personal bank account but trying to run business through that personal bank account, and you're putting that information on applications, automatic denial. What that looks like is a mingling of funds, and you look disorganized, and they don't want to have nothing to do with that. If you are running a business and you are operating a business, everything should be under that business name. Your personal name should not be connected to things that are purchased, leased, operating in your business. You are two totally separate entities, or an employee or an owner of that business. Number three, no business plan. With some business grants and even with some business credit and business loans, they want you to be able to explain what you're going to do with this money. If I give you $20,000, what is your game plan to either hire more people, purchase more inventory, or make some type of impact to make a return on that investment? The money is not just given for you to do whatever you want to do with it. It's supposed to be used as a business tool to impact and grow and develop your business. So if you're not able to show either on paper or be able to articulate and type and clearly depict what your projections are for the next 2 years, what your target audience looks like, what those funds would do after you awarded them or after you acquire them. Number 4 reason why you are getting denied for business funding, and this is so many people, y'all, is because you're simply not applying. Most people out here figure that their personal credit is affecting their business credit, or because their personal credit is not good, or because they don't have a lot of money or no business bank account, or whatever the reason may be, that they're not going to get approved for business funding. Businesses and personal are two totally separate things, but you can't ever be in the game if you don't ever get in the game. So you have to at least apply and see what your chances are. And in a lot of cases, if you apply and get denied, they will send you a letter and explain to you why you got denied or why you didn't get awarded. And even if you didn't, that's okay. Learn from that. Or you could just take advantage of my Build and Funded Blueprint, where I break all of this down. I have created the ultimate checklist, which tells you each and every document that you have to make sure that your business is completely legitimate and bulletproof. If you complete all of the things on this list, you will be able to take advantage of any funding situation that comes your way, whether that's business credit, business loans, any type of business capital, and our favorite, business grants. Whatever they ask you for, you will already have it. If you go to apply for a grant and they might just want 2 or 3 things off of the list, and you only get those 2 or 3 things just to try to take advantage of that opportunity, okay, maybe you get it and maybe you don't. But when another opportunity comes available, and then you have to scrounge around and get things together, well, see, now you're getting ready. But you should already be ready so that you don't have to get ready. And that's what the Build and Fund the Blueprint is all about. It puts you in proper position from jump. You do everything that you need to do one time, the first time, and you already have it. So whenever you need funding, whenever you need capital, whenever you need a loan, more than likely to get approved because you already had all of your ducks in a row, all of your I's dotted, all of your T's crossed, and that's exactly what we're all about. So stop getting denied and let's get this money. There is so much money out here still left to get for 2025. We're not worried about what's going on in politics. I mean, we are, but at the end of the day, you have to make sure that you're secure, that your family is good, and that you can make as much money as you possibly can, because we do not know what to expect. So one of the smartest things that you can do right now is get that business off the ground and go ahead and get you somebody else's money and build the business of your dreams. This strategy and blueprint that I'm giving to you is the exact strategy that awarded me and my clients over $100,000 in business funding. I would not tell you anything wrong because I just don't have time to do it. I'm running companies over here. We've got teams and all kinds of things going on. The time that I take to share with other entrepreneurs how to get their businesses off the ground and how to get their businesses funded, this is the type of information that I was looking for when I first started my business. I had to just stumble my way through, but it's all good though because I'm able to help somebody else. So if you need help, let me know in the comments. Make sure that you tap in for the next video, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.